being buried beneath the avalanche.
He knows about Avalanche. We're fucked.
But nothing could stem the avalanche.
Escalade, Yukon, Avalanche, whatever.
The blasts of warm air cause snow avalanches.
Because the media request Avalanche
These
continues.
mountains, that's who. Do you want to start an
It's an avalanche in the mountains.
So I saw your fucking avalanche parked on the corner. So.
We do not have the adequate force.
We are being buried beneath the avalanche of your inadequacies, Mr. Creedy.
The entire time.
So then he knows about Avalanche. We're fucked.
We don't think he does. We've been interrogating him for the...
But nothing could stem the avalanche. There were...
In case we need to ram the cops off the road, Escalade, Yukon, Avalanche, whatever. He needs to be ready for an 8:30 start.
The Alps. The blasts of warm air cause snow avalanches. Make the flowers.
Need to get focused. Because the media request Avalanche continues.
Yeah.
Who's going to hear us up here?
These mountains, that's who. Do you want to start an avalanche?
Oh, God, Peachy, you don't believe that kind of... It will be like the falling of small stones that starts an avalanche in the mountains.
In one thing, you have not changed, dude.
So I saw your fucking avalanche parked on the corner. So.
The avalanche?
Truck.
There's faith on your part, but you've got to hear me out.
Oh, here comes an avalanche of bullshit.
A little more faith than that.
Simpson, I once gave you a cigar. Can I have it back? Oh, now wait a minute.
Avalanche! No, smelled and you're stuck.
Or if this happens, you'll get...
No plan whatsoever, leading to the Great Garbage Avalanche of 2505, which would set in motion the events.
All failed. 11 climbers were killed in storms and avalanches. By now, the conquest of Nengaput...
Bomb targets in sequence using seismic data.
Trigger avalanches.
Block all exits, cut off their supply.